So, to summarize our report, let's discuss the differences between the developmental processes of the epidermis and the dermis. The epidermis originates from the surface ectoderm, meanwhile the dermis originates from the mesoderm as well as the neural crest cells for particular parts of the body, which is the face and the neck. The epidermis turns into stratified squamous epithelial tissue, meanwhile the dermis forms connective tissue beneath it. The epidermis is made primarily of keratinocytes, meanwhile the dermis is primarily composed of fibroblasts, which is characteristic of connective tissue. Developmental processes involved in epidermis is cellular proliferation during the basal layer establishment, upward stratification, which forms the 4 layers, and the terminal differentiation, the apoptosis, which is where as the cell layers move upward during stratification, they eventually die off. And in the dermis, we have the extracellular matrix secretion, wherein after the formation of the fibroblasts, these cells produce the extracellular matrix. We also have fiber maturation and vascularization. The role in appendages. So epidermis physically forms the structures, the hair, the glands, and the nails via the invagination of the epidermis. So the dermis provides the inductive biochemical signaling that triggers appendage formation. So as we learned, it is up to the dermis to determine when and where these appendages form. So when the dermis triggers the epidermis in a certain part, it would eventually develop into either the hair, the glands, or the nails. In terms of the embryonic layers and as well as the layers that will be formed after development, the epidermis forms first a transient periderm before establishing the 4 to 5 adult layers, which are the stratum basale, stratum spinosum, stratum granulosum, stratum lucidum, and stratum corneum. In the dermis, remains entirely internal and forms the papillary and reticular network. So this is formed early on in embryonic development and retains it after birth. So that is all for our report. Thank you everyone for listening. We hope you all learned from this topic. We'll see you next week for the gamification. Thank you all. Thank you so much.